The labor force is the silent giant behind Taiwan's economic growth. Independent, fair, and regressive labor safety are the gear-sustaining enterprises. Regardless of times, workers will always be the stabilizing force of a country's economic development. Overseen by the Ministry of Labor Affairs, the Research Institute of Labor and Occupational Safety and Health plays the role of think tank to the ministry in making sure that the gears operate normally and build the labor force a working environment with dignity and sustainable value. The Institute of Labor, Occupational Safety and Health was originally named the Institute of Occupational Safety and Health. Over the years, the Institute has strived to research, analyze, and improve the issues of safety and health that could potentially harm workers in working environments. The research results are used not only for formulating and amending domestic safety and healthy policies and regulations, but are also promoted to the industry via research papers, publications, the internet, exhibitions, and technology transfer, which help to enhance local safety and health standards in order to reach the goal of ensuring labor safety and health. The Institute has achieved significant results. In order to further our studies, the Institute planned for the construction of the laboratory building. The building opened for use on October 18, 2001. The Institute is responsible for the research of labor policies in occupational safety and health, and strives to create a working environment that ensures labor integrity, health, and safety. Currently, there are 5 divisions and 1 hall at the Institute. They are Division of Labor Market, Division of Labor Relations, Division of Occupational Safety, Division of Occupational Hygiene, Division of Occupational Hazards Assessment, and Division of OSH Exhibitions. The Division of Labor Market mainly focuses on areas that include the development of industries in demand for the labor force participation rate, labor economics analysis, and research in safety and technical vocational competencies. It provides research results as references for labor policy planning and industrial management so that labor and industries can establish a mutually beneficial relationship and create synergy together. The Division of Labor Relations mainly focuses on areas that include labor management relationships, labor conditions, labor welfare, and labor insurance to protect labor's human rights, build harmonious labor management relationships, and create friendly working environments. To assist the Ministry of Labor Affairs, the Division of Labor Relations will continue to research areas that include human rights protection and employment equality, social justice, and economic redistribution, balance between work and life, and social innovation. The Division of Occupational Safety mainly focuses on areas that include safety policies, regulations, and inspection technology, chemical, mechanical, and electrical safety, construction safety, fire and explosion prevention techniques, disaster prevention systems, and safety protection equipment, and to continue to develop occupational injury evaluation technology to understand related safety issues in domestic industries in order to develop incident preventive technology, introduce and localize international safety applications in management. The Division of Occupational Hygiene conducts research that includes prevention of ergonomic musculoskeletal disorders, occupational health management systems, control and protective technology for hazardous air pollutants, and assessment and improvement measures for emerging occupational health issues. Through localizing basic information of body measurements and ergonomics assessment and improvement technology, the division aims to alleviate musculoskeletal disorders resulting from carrying, repetitive stress, standing for a long time, and falls. The division develops industrial ventilation and respiratory protective equipment design and management technology to reduce the risk of workers being harmed by toxic materials. By learning new occupational health issues and exposure scenarios, the division aims to tackle possible exposure scenarios such as noise, high heat, biological, or no ionizing radiation. The Division Occupational Hazards Assessment Research Division conducts research in hazardous material sampling and analysis technology, hazardous factors exposure investigation and management, sampling equipment performance, labor and workplace health management and assessment, occupational disease and biological exposure indicators, occupational disease monitoring systems and technology, and occupational epidemiology studies. The division aims to establish the technology for analyzing hazardous materials in the workplace through the development and validation of environmental testing and biological detection methods, and to continue studying workplace exposure to hazardous materials in order to learn the status quo. The Division of OSH Exhibitions is responsible for promoting safety and health knowledge. It's in charge of publications, labor safety exhibitions, application of results of technological R&D, as well as technical transfer and communication with domestic and foreign research institutes for exchange. The ground floor of the exhibition hall is open on weekdays to the public or academic groups. In addition to all kinds of easy-to-understand displays on labor safety and health, there are also actual examples and models explaining worker stresses at work and how to humanely prepare an ideal working environment. The Institute has significant research achievements. Some research findings have allowed the Institute to gain a world-leading position in related areas. Through the Safety Culture Diagnosis and Guidance Program, the Institute has compiled 6 practical manuals, including guidelines for the practice of workplace safety culture, and produced the Safety Culture Diagnosis CD, proposing 14 safety culture solutions, including physical and mental stresses reduction workshop, and ensured the safety and health of over 25,000 workers. Ergonomic assessment technology, the Institute is formulating preventive measures and providing on-site guidance, composing the Atlas for workplace design, improving the design of operation procedures and stations, and developing devices, while building a comfortable and sustainable working environment for workers in Taiwan. To date, the Institute has provided guidance for 300 companies. The overall satisfactory rate after the improvements has reached 90%. The Institute has constructed an occupational epidemiologic database of nano-EHS processes and evaluated the feasibility of biological detective technology. The Institute has led the world in developing a world-class nanoparticle personal sampler, which has been marketed to the world through technical transfer. The Institute has analyzed millions of entries in Taiwan's only labor insurance occupational hazards database and has provided guidelines for autonomous management, distributed exercise CDs, and conducted corporate training. To date, over 1,015 people have been tested for musculoskeletal disorders, 1,585 have been visited for standing postures, and over 2,000 have participated in occupational disease prevention and health promotion courses. To enhance citizens' awareness and understanding of labor safety and health, the exhibition hall is open for visits by working professionals. Moreover, the exhibition hall aims to reach younger demographics so that all visitors can experience and understand occupational safety and health. We've organized a sleep and labor safety exhibition, a Sherlock Holmes of labor safety exhibition, and a labor safety illusion exhibition. Issues of labor and occupational safety and health are dynamic and diverse, and they often change with time and environment. In the future, the Institute of Labor, Occupational Safety and Health will continue to conduct in-depth analysis and research and facilitate international exchanges and cooperation. The Institute will also continue participating in international organizations to further elevate the standards of Taiwan's labor and occupational safety and health.